own food, and Elias got the burger.
So did I.
Well, Luann got a beet burger. I got this wonderful Cobb salad. And Quinn got the chicken beet burger.
Yep.
An interesting combination of, it's like a chicken platter, fried chicken with gravy and biscuits. Looks good, but I'm not sure what you call it. Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to the Jimmy Carter Library and the Carter Center, as you can see right here. So come along with me and see what we can see today. The museum includes historical memorabilia and photographs from the Carter presidency, which was from 1977 to 1981, and it includes everything afterwards, which includes the Carter Foundation and things of that matter. At the time of our visit, the museum hours were Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 4:45 p.m., Sunday, 12 noon to 4:45 p.m. The museum is closed Thanksgiving Day, Christmas Day, and New Year's Day. And if you want to peruse the research library, that is open Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. It's closed Saturday, Sunday, and all federal holidays. As you will see on the jimmycarterlibrary.gov website, the Museum of Jimmy Carter Library provides a unique experience for the visitor through immersive exhibitions of objects, documents, and photographs, videos, and beautiful gifts from around the world. Visitors can get an up-close view of the modern American presidency. Highlights include a life-size replica of the Oval Office, a dramatic day in the life of the president presentation on 13-foot screens, a walk-through cabin setting from the crucial Camp David meeting exhibition, and an interactive table map that takes you with the Carters to monitor elections and fight diseases. The Presidential Library is nestled between two lakes on 30 acres of parkland and provides a setting with a view of the Atlanta skyline. The Jimmy Carter Presidential Library is part of the Presidential Library Systems administered by the National Archives and Records Administration, a federal agency. The Jimmy Carter Presidential Library and Museum, it started construction on October 2nd, 1984, and was dedicated on October 1st, 1986. It's about 69,750 square feet. The Jimmy Carter Library and Museum in Atlanta, Georgia, houses U.S. President Jimmy Carter's papers and other materials relating to the Carter administration and the Carter family's life. The library also hosts special exhibits, such as Carter's Nobel Peace Prize and a full-size replica of the Oval Office, as it was during the Carter administration. Now the grounds outside are quite beautiful. They have a lot of nice walkways that you can peruse. Now the Carter Presidential Center is, of course, handicap accessible. And many of the walkways are covered once you get into the main area. coming along with us to visit the Jimmy Carter Library and the Carter Museum. Now, there are some discounts that you can get here for the admission. Like for instance, I know military IDs you get in free. We had to pay $8 a person, which I believe was quite worth it. So again, I'm glad you came along with us, and I hope you come back and watch some of our future episodes. And as always, have a great day.